Hello, happy morning, children. How are you all? Let's begin our day with a thought. Nothing is impossible. The word itself says, I am possible. So, nothing is impossible for all of us. Everything is possible, and yes, we can do it. So, let's do it and learn a new topic today. Today we are going to see lesson 7 topic 2 and the topic is degrees of comparison. Now children, comparison means to compare. Okay, we can compare to things, to objects, to qualities. We cannot compare ourselves with anyone else. Of course, we can compare our own qualities with our own self, like what I was when I was in first standard. What are the qualities I had? Now, when I came to second standard, what are the qualities I developed? So, this is the correct way of comparison. Okay, children? The word that describes or tells us more about a noun is called an adjective. Adjectives we have already studied in standard 1. Adjectives are nothing but describing words. They tell us about the nouns. Example, an old man. How is the man? The man is old. So old is an adjective. A small pencil. How is the pencil? The pencil is small. So small is an adjective. A thick book. How is the book? The book is thick. A beautiful doll. How is the doll? Beautiful. So the describing words are nothing but adjectives. An adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another noun or nouns. Now you already know what are nouns. Nouns are nothing but name, place, animal, thing. And we have already played the game also on it. So it is also called degree of comparison of an adjective. Now let us see what are the types of degrees. Okay, there are three kinds of degrees: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Right now we are going to see what is positive degree. Positive degree is when we speak about only one person or thing and the adjective is in its base or original form, right? Base form. The word is or the adjective is in the base form and there is no comparison. Means it is simple word without any adding letters to it. Okay. It is called a positive degree. Example, tall. Tall is a describing word. Big, fat, thin, etc. Now positive degree is the simple degree with simple words, but those are describing words. Now let us see what is comparative degree. Comparative degree is when we compare two persons or things. Okay, two persons or things is important to be kept in mind with an adjective changing its form. Now here the adjective is changing its form. Okay, it is called comparative because there are two things or two persons with which we compare. Example, taller. So we add er to make it a comparative degree. Bigger, fatter, thinner, etc. So when we add an er and when we write it in the sentence, it comes with er plus than then. So when we are comparing two things, it is always with er and than then. Okay. Now we will see superlative degree. Superlative degree is when we compare three or more objects. Now little more. For example, we are compared to many people around. The quality is compared, okay? And the adjective is in its superlative degree. So when the lion is compared with all the other animals in the jungle, so he becomes the superior. So it is the superlative degree. Only one person or one lion out of so many other animals. Example: tallest, biggest, fattest, thinnest. So you must have seen teacher is stressing on some words, like it is teacher is stressing on est. So est has to be added to the base word or the positive degree to make it comparative. Okay. Along with this, at the beginning of the word we add the, the. Okay. So revise whatever teacher has said till now. Now here we will see it more clearly. Degrees of comparison: positive degree, first one; comparative degree, second one; and superlative degree, third one. Okay, now we are going to see what are the specialities of it. In positive degree, it is the base word or the original word. For example, small, long. What happens in comparative degree then? In comparative degree, we add er and we also add than, than, after the adjective. Example: smaller than, longer than. Okay. Now what happens in superlative degree? In superlative degree, we add est. When we add est, along with it, we also add the before the adjective. Example: the smallest, the longest. Okay. Now let us see some rules of these spellings. When we do not add er or est, what do we add then? If the adjective is longer, then we use, what do we use? We use more, more, in the comparative degree. For example, more intelligent, more beautiful. Okay. And the second one, for the superlative degree, we add most, most, most intelligent, most beautiful. Did you get it? Great. If an adjective ends in a consonant, you know what is a consonant and vowel, right? We add er or we add est. For example, thicker than. Now, the word thick is the base word. It is ending with a consonant K. That's why we are adding only er and then than. The thickest. What do we add over here? est to make it superlative degree. And we also add the before the base word. If an adjective ends in a consonant with the vowel before it. Now, keep it in mind, a consonant but a vowel also. But where is the vowel? The vowel is before the consonant. We double the consonant and add er or est to change the degree. Example: big, bigger than. Now big is big. G is a consonant and I is a vowel. Now because of that vowel, we are doubling the last letter, that is G. So it is bigger, bigger than. The next one is the biggest. Same thing we did over here. We added one more G and est. The biggest. If an adjective ends in Y, then what do? We drop the Y or we cut the Y and we add I along with ER. So it becomes IER, IEST, Example, happier. So the base word or the positive degree is happy, H-A-P-P-Y. So we cut the Y and we add I plus ER. So it becomes happier than. Same thing with the superlative degree, happiest. H-A-P-P-Y, we cut the Y, we add an I plus EST. So it becomes happiest. So the happiest. Did you get it? Great. Now let us see some more examples to understand it much better. Okay. Positive degree, which are the adjectives which we already know. Comparative degree and superlative degree. Now the first word is small, S-M-A-L-L. Now what do we do? For the comparative degree, we add ER and THAN. So it becomes smaller than. In the superlative degree, we add EST. And before the word, we add THE. So it becomes the smallest. Warm is the next word. W-A-R-M is the base word, positive degree. We add an ER plus THAN than. So it becomes warmer than. And in the superlative degree, we add EST. Before the word, we also add THE, the warmest. The next one is old. O-L-D is the base word. So we add ER and then THAN than. So it becomes older than. In the superlative degree, we add EST and before the word we add THE. So the oldest. The next one is nice, N-I-C-E. We add only R over here. We do not add ER. Why? Because the E is already present. So we do not add it. So it becomes nicer than. In the superlative degree, it becomes nicest. So the nicest. The last one is big. Now we have already seen that when the word ends with a consonant, but before the consonant there is a vowel, so we double the last word. So it becomes bigger than. And in superlative degree, it becomes the biggest. Now let us check what we have learned. We are going to have a small quiz. Are you ready for it? Great. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of adjective given in the bracket. Okay, here we go. The first one is Tom is dash then Sam. The word is strong. The positive word is strong. So we are comparing two people. So definitely it is going to be a comparative degree. So what are we going to add? ER. Correct. So it is stronger. S-T-R-O-N-G-E-R. Stronger. So Tom is stronger than Sam. The second one is try it out. Birbal was the dash person. Now we all know about Akbar and Birbal and we have seen many stories. We have even read about them. So we are comparing Birbal with all the other people. Okay. So it has to be a superlative degree where we have to change W-I-S-E, wise. So the answer will be wisest. Birbal was the wisest person among all. The next one is the pink pencil is dash than the blue one. Now we are comparing two pencils. So which degree are we going to use? Comparative degree. Very good. And the word is B-I-G, big. Correct. You got it correct. The answer is bigger because we double the last word and we add an ER. Great. So the pink pencil is bigger than the blue one. Next one. The Barbie doll is the dash of all dolls. Now many of the girls will be having Barbie doll, right? Now we are going to compare Barbie doll with all the other simple dolls. So we are going to use superlative degree and the word is pretty. Now what do we do with the Y at the end? Like the spelling of pretty is P-R-E-T-T-Y. So we cut the Y and we add an I. So the word becomes prettiest. P-R-E-T-T-I-E-S-T. Great. You all are getting it correct. The next one is fresh food is dash, then fast food. Now again the word or the positive degree is healthy. The word is ending with Y. So we change the Y to an I and we are comparing two food qualities, fresh food and fast food. So we have to use an ER for it. So the word becomes healthier. Fresh food is healthier than fast food. The next one, the rose is dash than the hibiscus. Now again we are comparing rose and hibiscus, but the word is little big, beautiful. So are we going to add an ER? No, 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 no. We are not going to add an ER. We are going to add MORE, more. So it becomes more beautiful. The rose is more beautiful than the hibiscus. Did you get it? Great! Bye for now, children. Revise whatever teacher has done. You can even read from the textbook. Bye. Take care. Be safe.